As I told you in the last video how to add ChatGPT, and now this is VidIQ vision for YouTube. You guys all know that this is very important if you have a Google or if you have a YouTube account, and it will help you to grow your YouTube account for any of your CEO, anything you need. You can even see explore daily video ideas with view prediction. VidIQ, get more views with AI powered tool for YouTube creators. So you see here, this is very useful application. You can buy his subscription to use it with more way. You can see here 4.5 out of 5 rating, just and 9.7k rating of this video. You can see here, I love this. I was helping, truly, hopefully someone reach my YouTube channel. I wish I had friends too. There I you see here, this is very useful application. So we are going to add extension here, add extension, and then you can see here we already added VidIQ. Installation was successful, you can see here, and then you can add your YouTube account here. So this is how you're gonna do it. Very easy, very good, and see you in the next video.